That heart-sinking feeling when your car takes forever to crank over, or suddenly loses power while you are merging into traffic, is often caused by a single piece of data going missing, and that is exactly what the P0341 code represents. Your camshaft position sensor is the rhythmic conductor of your engine orchestra, telling the Powertrain Control Module exactly when the number 1 cylinder is at top dead center on its compression stroke, so it knows precisely when to fire the spark and inject the fuel. This happens via a magnetic reluctor wheel attached to the camshaft that passes by the sensor to create a pulse, but when that pulse becomes inconsistent or noisy, the computer essentially loses its place in the song and forces the car into a limp home mode to prevent catastrophic timing damage. One of the most overlooked causes for this specific code is actually electromagnetic interference, where your camshaft sensor wiring is routed too close to your high-voltage spark plug wires, which creates electronic static that confuses the signal. You might see poor fuel economy or a complete no-start condition, but do not immediately assume the sensor is dead, because sometimes a dirty or damaged reluctor wheel with a missing tooth can mimic a sensor failure perfectly. If your engine has been cranking for an unusually long time because of a weak battery or a fuel delivery issue, that extended cranking can actually trigger this code by accident. Even if the timing system is healthy, always start by inspecting the wiring for any signs of melting or chafing against the engine block, and make sure the connector is clicked in tight and free of oil contamination. If you have ruled out interference and wiring issues, then it is time to look at the sensor itself. But remember that on some vehicles, this code can even pop up if the engine is misfiring badly due to bad coils or plugs. So a healthy ignition system is the foundation for a happy camshaft sensor.